Hello everyone and welcome to this desk setup video. I appreciate it a lot for you clicking on this video. So if you watched it completely and you liked it, make sure to hit that like button as it really helps me out and really motivates me as well. So this space is where I spend a lot of time each day. So that is why it's very important for it to be exactly like how I want it to be. Though it is definitely not perfect, but to me it's pretty much perfect, although I always see desk setups or just gaming setups as something like a work in progress. It's never really finished in my eyes, and I think many people have the same opinion about it. But as it is now, I'd say it's pretty much perfect in my eyes, though I must say there are definitely a lot of improvements to be done. I am proud of it now and I want to show it. So without further ado, let's get into the actual setup video.
The monitor is the LG Ultrawide 29WP500. The 1080p resolution is limited, but the colors are great. On top of it sits this BenQ screen bar. This light is great for preventing eye fatigue, and the color temperature and the brightness is adjustable with this knob. As for mouse and keyboard, I have the Apple Maker SK64S with its default keycaps and red switches, which is both great for gaming and typing. The mouse I use is the Logitech G203 LightSync, and it sits on top of this Corsair mousepad. These Edifier R12 80dB speakers look and sound absolutely amazing, especially for their price. I use these Sennheiser headphones for video editing and listening to music solely. For gaming, I use the Somic G951S, as it has great virtual surround sound, and they look cute. This is my custom-built ITX PC. You can find the specs in the description. I use this GT Player gaming chair. It's pretty comfortable. For my recording and streaming setup, I have the Fifine K658. This is the mic I'm also currently using for this voiceover. The RGB on it gives it a unique touch. The mic is mounted on a boom arm for extra desk clearance. The camera I use for streaming is a Canon 500D with kit lens.
So that's it, that's everything in my setup. I hope you really enjoyed it and I hope I have inspired you as well. I love watching these kind of videos, so it's really nice for me to make a video like this as well, and I'm really proud of that. And make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like these kind of videos, and it also motivates me a lot to keep on making these videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have anything to say, please feel free to comment it down below, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!